Hello, my name is Szymon Kucharski and I am Export Manager at SaMASZ Poland. In this video, I will present setup of our rear side flail mower KANGU 190. I will start with the connection to the tractor, then discuss technical data, all the machine equipment and at the very end, machine handling. For the beginning, we have to connect KANGU to tractor's 3-point hitch. To do so, we need lower link arms and top link. Then we need to plug hydraulics in. To operate the machine, we need two hydraulic sections responsible for two double-acting hydraulic cylinders. First one is responsible for side shifting the machine and the second one lifts the working unit to the transport position. This mulcher is designed to run at 540 revs per minute. And the next step we are moving to is to install the PTO shaft between the machine and the tractor. Critical matter is to check the length of shaft at first, and if necessary, PTO needs to be shortened. Too long PTO shaft can cause damage to the machine and the tractor. Detailed instructions on shortening the PTO shaft can be found in the operator's manual. When connecting KANGU to the tractor, you need to make sure that PTO shaft is not in collision with the headstock or any other part. To do so, we adjust tractor lower links closer to the right tractor wheel. We can also change the position of hydraulic cylinder by reinstalling cylinder mounting bracket. So the drive transmission of the machine consists of a wide-angle PTO shaft, a gearbox with built-in clutch and mechanical belt drive. Gearbox works in oil bath and we use regular gear oil 80W90 for it. You need to change the oil after first 50 hours of operation, then changing interval is 500 hours or at least once a year. Depends on what comes first. KANGU design has many moving parts that requires frequent lubrication. Grease nipple bolts are marked with this decal. We should grease it every 50 hours of operation. Moving to mechanical belt drive, which is under this cover, tension and condition of V-belts have to be checked frequently. We can check belt tension by simply pressing them and deflection shouldn't be more than 2 centimeters. If necessary, we can adjust them with this bolt here. After the season, it is highly recommended to lose the belts. It will positively affect their lifespan. This flail mower has a hydraulic side shift as a standard feature. With this hydraulic cylinder, you can set the mower behind or at the side of the tractor. Let's move to ground following bar. This bar runs on the ground when those sliding skids are just off the ground. Ground following bar is also used for setting the cutting height. Using those holes, you can adjust the position of the bar by means of those bolts on both sides. That will change the cutting height. Thanks to parallel arm design, KANGU has a wide operating range in 2 planes. It works perfectly on roadside banks, slopes or any green belts. Moving to safety features, KANGU has a mechanical safety breakaway device on the hitch. It allows mower to race and to pass over the obstacle. You need to remember to secure the machine from unexpected opening during transport by installing this pin in the transport hole. These flails are installed as a standard equipment for KANGU 190. We call them hammers. As an option, you can buy various types of flails dedicated for different applications. A chart with available flails and shafts can be found in the price list. KANGU can also be optionally equipped with protective chains instead of these metal flaps and an additional inner mantle. It is critical to check flail shaft condition on a regular basis. Always worth paying attention are shaft vibrations. If they occur, the most common cause is a missing flail. When changing worn or missing flails, always remember to do it in pairs, with flails on opposite sides. That way, you will keep the rotor balanced. We are all set and ready to start the job. But first, you need to set the mower in a wanted working position by means of hydraulics and 3-point hitch. Then, you slowly engage the PTO shaft until it reaches 540 reps per minute. That covers all setup of presented today KANGU. Remember, if you have any further questions or concerns, always refer to an operator's manual or contact SaMASZ directly. Thanks for watching.